If you're remodeling your kitchen this year, your countertop choice will define the entire look and feel of your space. In this kitchen, we're breaking down the 5 most popular countertop options for 2026, including the one designers can't stop talking about and what's finally replacing the old favorite. So let's start off. What are the most popular countertops coming in for the style of 2026? So starting off with no specific order in mind, we're gonna talk about porcelain. Now, what is porcelain? Obviously, it's a man-made material, but porcelain in countertops is something we're starting to see very popular. People just like it because of the consistency, how durable it is, and how nice it comes out. The only problem with porcelain that I see that you should be careful with is very fragile. It breaks very easily, and these fabricators are gonna charge you a lot to do it. So understand that when you get that price point on that porcelain countertop, expect to pay a nice price just because the material is very fragile. It only comes in a 1/4 inch thick, but it's very beautiful once you lay it out, very durable. It withstands a lot of stuff. So porcelain is number 1 on my list. What is number 2? Now, number 2 has been around for a good amount of time, but these fabricators and these vendors are getting really nice and tricky, which is quartz. Now, the beautiful thing, the ones I'm showcasing here are quartz that have a lot of design. This one here has a lot of nice mineral kind of look to it. As you can see here, where it kind of looks like gemstones on the inside. Another thing that they're doing that's very popular is that they're adding literally metal or gemstones into their design. It has purple gemstones on the inside. So if you have great lighting, this would be something you want to showcase. Number 3 is a product that's been coming along for a while and is very popular, is Decton. Now, Decton is by Costantino. But beautiful thing about Decton and what I've seen is that you can actually cook on this surface. So if you get special cooktops that actually on the bottom, you could actually cook right off your countertop. So you could have a very nice countertop and have your cooktop integrated inside of there, and you could pretty much impress your guests by actually cooking on the countertop. This countertop here where we're at today is Decton. So Decton is basically kind of where we see a lot more of it is in a modern style cabinet. It's a very flat surface where not that much texture on it, but it's very matted, so it looks great. Before you choose your countertop, make sure you download our free guide, Ultimate Kitchen Cabinet Renovation Guide. What's best for your budget? It breaks down exactly what you can expect at every price point from $5,000 to $50,000 and helps you match your countertop choice to the right cabinet style and budget. Now, number 4 is a butcher block. Now, with butcher block, you can't go wrong. It looks amazing. You could put it in a bar, you could put it in your living room, you could put it in your kitchen. You love that wood tone. Can't go wrong with a butcher block. It just looks amazing. You could do like a walnut, you could do something like a maple. This here is an ash, which is a little different, but they do have different woods, so you could kind of select depending who you're going with your countertop. With your butcher block, you could get different colors out there. Now, number 5. Now, I left the best one for last. This is gonna be very popular in 2026. This is something new that we're not really seeing that much just yet, but I think in this year coming up, you're gonna start seeing. This is basically, it's a mineral hybrids that has come out by Silestone. Now, if you can tell, what they've done here is the ribbit kind of look. You could do this on the back of your island, or you could do it on your backsplash. Now, in order to do this, you gotta have a good fabricator that has maybe a wet jet CNC to create something like that. But it is like an emerald kind of look, so you're gonna be able to do this on your kitchen countertops. I love this green one here. They actually have other colors that look really nice, like this bluish color here with the copper kind of look, and this brown kind of bronzy look that's very popular. You're gonna start seeing this a lot coming out everywhere. So expect this to be the popular thing for 2026. If this helped you decide which countertops are worth investing in, the next video you should watch is 5 countertop trends on the way out. It'll show you which material to avoid before you spend a dime. I'll link it right here and I'll see you there.